At Vitality Works, we gather the best raw materials from around the globe, including herbs and essential oils from organic farms and ethical wild harvesters, plus standardized herbal extracts, vitamins, minerals, amino acids and nutraceutical ingredients, in order to manufacture industry-leading dietary supplements and homeopathic products. We can develop and manufacture your branded product for the natural or mass market, at store level, online or direct distribution, anywhere in the world. We manufacture everything you need from small to large runs of single ingredients and proprietary formulas, either packaged, shelf ready or shipped bulk for further processing. Almost any formulation, a range of quantities, many dosage forms. We have 2,500 in-stock tested ingredients, 450 in-stock products ready to ship, 600 packaging options to choose from. Plus we have full R&D capability so we can work with you to prototype a proprietary formulation with optimal efficacy. If you want to expand your offerings, choose from our line of turnkey products. More than 450 in-stock herbs, vitamins and nutraceutical products in a range of dosage forms. Every single ingredient and product goes through our rigorous quality control and compliance process. Our products are 100% tested, produced in our state-of-the-art FDA OTC registered, NSF GMP certified, kosher and organic certified facility, and continuously audited by our in-house regulatory staff. With our extensive labeling and packaging services, we can customize your product, then ship it across the country or around the world. And with fast lead times and customer service that continues well after you receive your shipment, Vitality Works ensures your success naturally.